Greetings, Benjamin J from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, stuff finally starting to arrive from eBay. Been waiting for this stuff for going on 2 weeks, some of it. Anyway, this is a Lionel 1655. Now I picked this up for $15 from a guy that was selling it to, evidently his father had died and was selling off his father's collection. He has no idea if it runs, it's untested. So anyway, 15 bucks on eBay. I'm really curious to see what kind of condition this is actually in. It's packed well, no doubt about that. Alright. Wow, it's heavy. It's really heavy. Alright. This box out of the way. So a Lionel 1655, 15 bucks. Let's see what this looks like. Wow, this is really heavy. Alright, there we are. Now, it is complete. It's far from perfect, it's dirty. It's been sitting for a long time. I pull the camera off the tripod. So, a Lionel 1655, as you see. Well, it moves easy enough. I have no idea if this runs, neither did he. Anyway, as you see, it's a nice old locomotive. This is 1948. Got a lot of rust on it, as you can see, but it is intact with no damage. Let me get this tripod out of the way. All right. With Lionels, there's not much you can do to lubricate them. Let me grab my oil. Excuse me. One drop of oil there. Alright, there's not much you can do on this side except get the bearing. Alright, there's the armature. Well, it looks to be in one piece. The question, of course, is going to be, will it run? Who knows? The only way to find out is to test it. So, turn the power on. This is on rail 2. Let's see what happens. Absolutely nothing. Light comes on. Wow, nothing at all, not even buzzing. So, I'm going to have to pull it apart to find out why. It's very likely the E unit. I don't hear it cycling. But not even buzzing. So, in any case, Lionel 1655, 15 bucks on eBay. Going to be interesting to see if I can get this up and running. You can see it's got lots and lots of oxide on it. Lots of it. It's been sitting for a very, very long time. So, in any case, I just wanted to do a grand unboxing. Like I said, this is a heavy locomotive. Now, you see these things on eBay going for up to 100 bucks. 50 bucks, 65 bucks. There's, I don't know, probably a dozen of them on there now. In various degrees of repair or disrepair with lots and lots of different prices. But anyway, 15 bucks, couldn't resist it. So, nothing yet as far as even buzzing. So we'll have to pull the shell off, take a look at the motor, see what the problem is. Very likely the E unit is stuck or dead. We'll see. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. Lionel 1655, eBay 15 bucks. As you see, it's in fairly decent condition. You can touch the shell up in a matter of a few minutes, get the oxide off the push rods, get this thing running. It's going to be a great locomotive. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.